Hello everyone, welcome to Chrome videos. In this video we are going to see that how can we disable the incognito mode in Google Chrome. So incognito mode is a mode that helps us to surf through the web without getting any of the cookies that are associated with our normal Chrome profiles. So in this video we are going to see that how can we disable that Chrome's feature incognito mode. So the steps are very simple. Let's just dive right into it. So for this you need to go to the search bar and just type in registry editor. So you can just type regist. So this registry editor would be there, and this is exactly what we want. So just right click on that and click on run as administrator. This step is very important, otherwise you might get some permission errors. Now once you run it as an administrator, if you get this option of a user account control, make sure to click on yes. Then this registry editor would be opened. Now once you have opened up your registry editor, it is very important that you do this particular step. You will see that all these things over here, all these folders may be in this kind of a format, in the directory format. So what you need to do is go to file first and click on export. Now what will this do? It will help to create a backup of all the files, of all the registration files that are present. Now once you have made any changes and there are some errors, or you do not want to perform those changes, you want to revert those changes, so you can simply just revert using those backup files itself. So you can just go to file and click on import, and the backup files would be there. Now let us just focus on how are we gonna solve the incognito mode issue, that is how are we gonna disable it. So for that, in the computer, go to this local machine. Here is the software, expand on this software, and in this software you will find something called policies. So just expand on it. You will see a few policies already created like Adobe and Microsoft. Here we will create a new policy. So just right click, go to new and select key. Now here just type in Google. Make sure the spellings are correct, otherwise this thing won't work. Then again right click, go to new, select key, and this time type in the name Chrome. So two things you need to remember. First of all, Google must be a part of this policies folder and Chrome must be a subsidiary of the Google folder. Then both of these spellings should be same, Google and Chrome. They should be correct spellings. If it is incorrect, then it won't work. Now once you are inside this Chrome, make sure you are inside this Chrome. Go to the right hand panel, right click, go to new and select a dword 32-bit value. Now you need to rename it. So we are going to rename it as incognito mode availability. So make sure the spelling that I have entered is the exact same spelling that you are entering, and the first letters of each word should be capital. The camel casing you should be following. Then press enter. Further you can expand it to just make sure the spelling is correct. Then just right click over here, go to modify. Now this kind of a dialog box would appear that would allow you to edit the dword 32-bit value. So by default the value data would be 0, so you just need to change it to 1. The base, you make sure that it is hexadecimal. If it is decimal or something else, just change it back to hexadecimal and then click on OK. Now once you have made these changes, then if you open your Google Chrome, then incognito mode will not be available for you anymore. So if you do not want to make this change, you want to delete this, what you can do? You can just right click over here, delete this particular profile, click on yes, accept the warning. Now in this Google, you can just right click again and click on delete, again click on yes. So these policies should be deleted if you don't want to make the changes. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.